Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change excise label in pivot chart. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I already created pivot chart. So to change the excise label, simply click on the pivot chart and go to the pivot chart analysis tab. In show all fields group, click on the fields list, and here you can see the pivot chart fields right hand side open. Okay, the current excise is a category, so here I'm going to change the excise. Okay, so simply click on the arrow and click on the remove the fields. Then I'm going to add the product in excise. So I just drag in the below area, and you can see the excise, the horizontal excise is change in product. Okay, and if you want to add the excise title, simply click on the charts and go to the design tab. Okay, in chart layout, click on the add charts element and click on the excise title. You can add here primary horizontal. You can see in horizontal primary horizontal excise title is added. If you want in primary vertical, you can see in vertical excise title is added. So I add in horizontal. You can see here added. You can edit this the horizontal excise title. So I just edit here, use the backspace to remove this, and I just add here the product list. Okay, and if you want to format this excise title, you can it just simply click on it and right click on the mouse, and here you can fill the different color also. So I just fill here the color. Okay, if you want to change the outline, the border of the excise title, you can add here the border. So I select this one. If you increase the width, okay, thickness of the border, you can use here the width thickness. So I just add here the thickness of border. Okay, and again I click on this option, the styles. Okay, you can use here the different style also. Okay, theme style also available. See the changes in your excise title. Okay, see. So that's it. This is a way you can add the excess title. You can easily set anywhere where you want. So just keep cursor and you can set anywhere. Okay, product list. Okay, so this is a way you can change the excise label in a pivot chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.